What if I told you some animals can live without oxygen? In the next few seconds, you'll discover these incredible creatures. Let's dive into the fascinating world of oxygen-free life. Meet the tiny loriciferans. These marine organisms thrive in the Mediterranean seabed. They live entirely without oxygen. Next, we have the Hennegia salmonicola. This parasite resides inside salmon. It doesn't rely on oxygen either. Lastly, the green pea aphid. It can generate its own energy through photosynthesis, even when oxygen levels drop. These animals have completely adapted to their environments. They showcase nature's incredible resilience. Isn't that amazing? Like what you see.